In this example, we have to add two logs together, and the first thing that we have to check is that the logs have the same base. So if you look at this, we have log 5 to the base 2 plus log 6 to the base 2. Okay, so what things are we checking here? Well, first of all, we're checking that the bases are the same in each case, and they are here, they're both 2. And the second thing that we check is that this is addition. Okay, so if we're adding two logs, we're going to change it to multiplication, and this is how we do it. Okay, we say that this is equal to a single log. Okay, so we started off with two logs. We're going to say that it's equal to a single log. The base has to be the same. Okay, so it has to be base 2, the same as what we had here, and the same as what we had here. Okay, so keep the base the same. And then what we're going to do as well is we're going to multiply. Remember, multiply here. The plus becomes multiply. Multiply it by 6. Okay, oops, wrong color, but let's not worry too much about that. Okay, so we have the log, a single log of 5 times 6, which is equal to log to the base 2. 5 times 6 is 30. So this is our answer here. This is the piece that we're after. Okay, so if you're adding logs with the same base, you just multiply these two numbers. 5 times 6, it's a log of 30. Okay, very quick.